Good evening, everybody. Myself, Satyaveer Singh. I'm a senior research scientist at Media Lab Asia. Basically, Media Lab Asia is a non-for-profit organization of Department of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Communication, IT, Government of India. So we are working in different sectors, and healthcare is one of them. So here I'm going to present a mobile-based application, as our chairman already told that our mobile application should be focused on that users or like so initially it's basically focused for baseline worker, frontline workers, health workers. So currently, what are they doing? I mean, they are collecting the data through registers. They have a lot of registers separate, like death register, birth registers, immunization registers. So we have tried to reduce their burden of manual record keeping through a mobile based application. So we have this application which is synchronized with the central server to upload the data. So basically, it's for definitely reducing their manual record keeping, ensuring timely, accurately, and that efficiently data upload to that higher officers. So based on the data, I mean, they can take their action, they can plan the policies. Basically, it help to health worker for their service delivery by alerts, reminders, by the that work plan. It provides a work plan to health worker. Based on that, they can schedule their visit. Okay, in which house, what are the activities pending. Based on that, they can schedule accordingly. So definitely it provide a centralized health database, and which is available anytime, anywhere, with the proper accessing method. This is the structure of our application, which that data collection. It's synchronized the server, and it's available with director health services, as well as district medical officer, and that PSC block level, whoever is authorized for accessing data. It's available on web. So these are the module for the mobile based application, like a house retail module, demographic, reproductive, like a eligible couple, and which include family planning methods, maternity, it's antenatal and postnatal care module. So and child care module includes the child registration, as well as immunization. And disease include the registration, follow up for communicable, non-communicable disease. Death module is separately for collecting the cause of death. Based on that, that can be identified in which area, what is the reason. So the cause of death is going to be same. So that can be analyzed. RNTCP module, that's for TB, that's a separate module. So I mean, which can be linked directly to the Nixia. Even this maternity module directly can be linked to MCTS, which is already running throughout the India. Even migration module is for pregnant women who are just migrating. So if suppose a woman is getting like a TT, that injection, and the next time whenever she is going, so at least if we have registered database, we can access that. Okay, whatever facilities, whatever immunizations she already have. So even vector study module is for especially for vector 1 diseases. And the health advice we have this. Even it has a facility for report module. Even health worker can access their performance, how many houses they visited in a day, and what's their data collection performance. And import export module for importing and exporting data. And health is specially for operational. These are some screenshot of mobile based application, like house retail and demographic module, family welfare and eligible couple, antenatal, postnatal, disease immunization. There's a migration module, and it's a report. These are some field experience. We have deployed this application in Malappuram district of Kerala, especially for 3 blocks. We have provided 120 mobile devices for health workers. They collected about 7.2 lakh population data in the system. And the same system has been tested at Ballavgarh with All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So just I would like to share one video, so which is showing actual yes.
The system provides better health services at grassroots level by strengthening health data collection and follow-ups, reminder, alerts using mobile devices. The system has two parts, that is mobile application and web-based application.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. It's a wonderful
Yeah.
initiative.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank you, sir.
much. There.